In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Google Sheets to Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your sheet into a board, map your columns correctly, and choose the right import options without losing any data. Before we start, make sure your Google Sheet is tidy. One header row with clear column names and consistent data in each column. Export your sheet to your computer as a CSV or Excel file so it's ready to upload. Begin on your Monday.com. Home. Head to your workspaces and open the board where you want the data to live. Once the board is open, look to the top right and open the three-dot menu. Hover over More Actions, then choose Import Tasks. This opens the import flow for the current board. Click Browse your files and select the file you exported from Google Sheets. After the file is uploaded, click Next to move into mapping. You'll first set the item name. This is the main title of each row in Monday.com and should be unique and descriptive like a task name or project title. Click Choose Column and pick the column from your sheet that best represents the item's name. When that's set, click Next. Now map the rest of your columns. Match each column from your file to the appropriate Monday.com column type. Text to text, numbers to numbers, dates to dates, and so on. If you have statuses in your sheet, map them to a status column so you can use labels and automations. For people or owners, ensure the values in your file match existing users. If not, map to text and assign later. Keep an eye on date formats and currency or number formatting so everything converts cleanly. When everything looks correct, click Next. You'll see options for how to handle potential duplicates. Create new items will bring in every row as a new item. Skip items ignores rows that appear to match existing ones. Overwrite existing items updates items that match, which is useful for refreshing data. For a first-time import, create new items is usually the safest choice so nothing gets replaced unintentionally. Select that, then click Start Import. Give it a moment to process. When the import completes, review your board. Scan a few items to confirm names, statuses, dates, and owners landed in the right columns. If something looks off, you can rerun the import and adjust the mapping. A quick spot check now saves time later. That's it. You've successfully imported your Google Sheets data into Monday.com and set it up for tracking, collaboration, and automation.